Like, I don't understand what makes hotel mattress so special. This swimming pool really got one of the best views in town.
See, there's a ball.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And by the way, please excuse my background. I know my apartment is a little bit messy at the moment because ever since I came back from Bali last week, work has been super busy and I literally didn't have time at all to clean it up. And some of you guys asked me whether I'm going to publish a video about my Bali travels. Well, this time around, I didn't do any vlogging when I was in Bali because I just really wanted to have a super chill and relaxing trip. But if you're curious about how my Bali travel went, do check out my Instagram page because I posted some really good photos and Instagram stories. Bali was amazing, especially we went to this island near Bali called Nusa Penida. It was so gorgeous. Like the beach, the ocean, everything was perfect. So yeah, do check out my Instagram if you're curious to know about more. And this weekend, I'm actually going to do something that's super interesting. I'm going on a staycation for the first time in Singapore. I know, it sounds unbelievable, but I guess in the past 2 years, because I stay in a condo, like it has facilities such as swimming pool, gym, tennis court, so the idea of staycation just never really crossed my mind. But today I actually got invited by the hotel to do a 2-day, 1-night staycation at their Clarke Quay location. So I'm just very excited to get out of my apartment and do something slightly different this weekend. I have to be at the hotel in 40 minutes and I'm like 50% done, like 30%. So yeah, let's see how that goes.
How long has it been? Feels like forever. Noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are open. Can't even think of myself. It's been going too long.
Rooftop, we have a swimming pool.
Perfect, yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Wow, fancy. Okay, so our room is on the top floor, 7th floor. Oh, okay. Wow, there are actually quite a lot of rooms on each floor. I think on this floor itself, there are like 70 rooms. So it literally feels like walking in a maze. And this is our room. Let's do a quick room tour.
Meet me at Manhattan Henge. Meet me under Columbus Circle. I'll be waiting there for you.
So the space has a pretty compact layout and I feel like it's really serving that cozy aesthetic vibes with the warm lights. We really feel like you're just staying at a super comfortable space. And they have 2 beds, a TV on the wall, and this nice little workstation. So it's also perfect for those of you guys who are going on business trips. And let's check out their bathroom, which is hello. And also let's check out the bathroom, which is one of my favorite as well. So this is the water basin and this is the shower area. They provide body wash, shampoo, toiletries, pretty much everything you need for a perfect staycay. And one of my favorite features of this room is definitely this floor-to-ceiling window. Like, it's literally so huge and it provides ample sunlight during the day, so I feel like the whole space is just so bright and it makes me feel so happy and relaxed. After checking into our room, we decided to attend a terrarium-making workshop led by this local cactus and succulent nursery called Rain or Shine. I've never made terrariums before, so this is definitely a super eye-opening experience for me. So what we did just now is that we removed the soil from the plants. So this is just like 10% of its roots. And then we added a bit more soil into this pot. Also with some other decorations, like little pebbles to make it look a little bit more aesthetic.
Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down 8th Avenue with you.
That's so cute.
Nice. Okay.
It was such a nice experience and the teacher was just like super duper nice. He's probably the nicest human being that I've met today. Like, he's super helpful and then he really spent a lot of time just coaching us how to make this. I'm just loving the combination so much. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at the sunset, it's so pretty. And this scene. Hello, sir.
Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems.
So we're having dinner at this place called Grey Room Bar. It's located at the lobby of this hotel. And Renting ordered the biryani chicken fried rice, and I ordered the something fried rice.
Normal fried rice.
Normal fried rice. And we also ordered a glass of wine each. So cheers! Wow, that looks good. What's good?
It's actually very tender, and the gravy, I really love it.
Okay, I'm
And
gonna
it's
take the
actually,
last piece.
it's actually really well seasoned.
Blame the 19, staying in corporate.
We just finished dinner, and I think now we're headed to Dempsey Hill. Like originally we were planning to stay around the Clarke Quay area, but apparently one of our friends, she's at Dempsey Hill, and then she just invited us to, you know, go have some drinks with her. So yeah, I think we're just gonna call a grab and go meet her there.
In a dream, I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems.
Alright, cheers, guys.
Blame the 19. So many different scenes. I've seen.
Hello guys, good morning. So today is day 2 of our staycation, and last night I had very good quality sleep. Like, I don't understand what makes hotel mattress so special, but I just feel like they're 100 times more comfortable than all the other mattresses out there. Like, it gives your back such great support, but at the same time it's not too soft. You know, we got home, like go back to our hotel like pretty late last night, around 2-3 a.m. But I'm not feeling tired at all right now because, you know, the mattress is so comfortable and I just have very good sleep, and I think that's all that matters. And now we're just gonna go downstairs to enjoy the hotel breakfast. After that, we're going to Kallang, Marina Bay area, like around there, to do some water cleaning activity. I'm actually feeling pretty hungry right now, so let's go. Actually, they got quite a lot of options for the breakfast. So I got some scrambled egg, bacon, and some pastries. And this green little thing is their kaya bun, which looks super interesting because I've never seen like a green bun before. But I guess bon appetit! We're just speed walking to the venue because it took us 20 minutes to get a taxi. Like, originally wanna book through CDG app, but it's impossible to get a taxi at this point of time. So we have to switch to Grab instead. So we are running a little bit late. The Waterways cleanup activity was organized by this super cool non-profit environmental organization called Waterways Watch Society. And this is Eugene, who is the founder of WWS and 10 out of 10 an expert in Singapore's waterway system. After finishing a brief intro about conservation efforts of Singapore's environment, including its waterways, we started off our boat ride from Kallang Riverside Park and went around Marina Reservoir to pick up some litter.
So George is a volunteer. He actually works in Mitsubishi Asia, air condition.
Like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice to tell me?
See, there's a ball, there's a foam cup, plastic bag. Very common. This one, you and I use. Really? Okay, we're going to reverse and go to the step. Okay, we're going to reverse and go to the step. Try and drive your boat in between.
More balls.
Oh, just another tennis ball.
Balls everywhere.
Oh. Good catch.
I can't let it be.
During this water cleanup activity, I was actually so surprised by how much litter there was in the water. Because I feel like usually when people walk around Marina Bay, they may not necessarily notice the existence of plastic bags, water bottles, and all kinds of litter floating on the surface. However, it's still our responsibility to pay attention to this issue and raise awareness of environmental protection. Yeah, we just finished our water cleanup activity and apparently it's gonna start raining soon. And we didn't rain around well, so let's just hope that we can get back to the hotel before it starts raining. Just got back to our hotel and we're super lucky because we managed to push back our checkout time to 3 p.m. which means that we still have a bit of time to check out the rooftop pool upstairs. So yeah, let's go up and get a quick swim.
You're killing me, oh love. Don't let me be.
Damn, okay, the rain is still going on.
So sweet, like a honeybee, and so deep, like a rooted tree, taking me so high.
The good news is that we managed to get to the rooftop, but the bad news is that it's still raining pretty heavily, so but I mean we're just gonna go inside the pool, so we'll be wet anyway. Okay, let's see if we can open this umbrella thing. Oh, is it like a manual thing? Oh, okay. Wow, this swimming pool really got one of the best views in town. Like, that's the MBS hotel in the backdrop, and oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow, you're very exposed right now. Just look at your hair, bro. Oh, it works. All right, let's get into it. Woo. Renting is getting a very sensual massage from the water current. What are you massaging right now? Your quad? Hamstring? Alright, time to say goodbye to this lovely staycation. Hello, we would like to check out. Thank you so much. It was great, it was amazing. Yeah. We just checked out from our hotel, and I guess a special thank you to Holiday Inn for providing such a great staycation experience. I think both of us, we love the staycation experience so much. Like, it's so relaxing, and I feel like my body and mind are just super rejuvenated after this day. And now we're headed to Tanjung Pagar for lunch because we are hungry. So let's go have some food. Oh my gosh, you can't imagine how hungry I am. I feel like I can literally just devour everything in like 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, the pork is so tender and so juicy, and I love every single banchan they serve. Like that octopus thing is definitely my favorite. And they also have like kimchi and some other stuff. And we also ordered the cold noodles because we just want something like super cooling and refreshing in this hot weather. How good is it? Speechless. Oh my gosh, I'm like so full right now. Like, I feel like the portion was insane, but the food is so good.
It's one of the best KBBQ I have.
I feel like it's the best KBBQ restaurant that I've found in Singapore.
Yes,
and yes, and how do you make up this nice little staycation weekend?
It's been amazing. Thank you Holiday Inn for sponsoring this trip. This trip, yeah.
So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, the end of today's video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I guess, our bus is here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.